Hello everyone, my name is Author Sherry and I'm very grateful to Mr. Sumit, who is the chairperson of Bharat Education Forum. And today we are gathered over here to celebrate its success of the first day or the first event of this entire forum. I would like to share that this forum has been built with a lot of parameters. The first one of its kind is that there is going to be a lot of collaboration of educators, which is the missing part. And when we talk about policy advocacy, nation building, educational policy discussions, NEP, there is a dearth of platforms, and I think this platform is going to be one of its own kind, where educators will come, collaborate, communicate, and talk about the nation development. At the same time, when we talk about Viksit Bharat, we talk about giving education to the underprivileged. We talk about giving education to underprivileged for the skills. When we talk about Viksit Bharat, we talk about making India a development nation by the end of 100 years of freedom, which is 2047, where we are celebrating 4 key pillars. The first is youth, that is Yuva. The second is a woman, which is Mahilai. The third is farmers, which is Kisan. And the fourth is poor, which is Garib. So all these 4 key pillars are extremely important to take India ahead for the development and make India Viksit Bharat. At the same time, I personally feel that skills are extremely important, especially when we talk about how to do conversations, how to do effective communication, and how to do speaking from various stages. That is the need of the hour for all the educators, and I wish all my best of the wishes to Bharat Education Forum, the organizing team, Sumit ji, for making this event a grand success. Also creating this platform which is meaningful, which is going to help a lot of educators and the stakeholders around. Thank you.
Today's the topic is the AI in education. So what's your views? For Manne to Shang.
For artificial intelligence, I always believe that this reminds me one of the great examples. I remember when I was studying in the school, computers were introduced in the banking system, and many of the people were thinking now banking jobs will be eradicated, it will be eliminated. But it happened the opposite. Many job opportunities got created just because of the computers introduced in the banking system. The same flavor I'm feeling right now when we talk about AI. Most of the people think that AI will replace human beings. Well, it's not possible. It's the human being which has created AI. So AI will be a stepping stone for the success, for the demarcation, for the collaboration of many work-related, professional-related opportunities. But it is not going to replace human being at all, because there are few things which you cannot replace. And emotion is one of them, and human mankindness is one of them. And thirdly, most importantly, the human presence is also one of them. So I feel that AI is going to stay here for a long time, but not at the stake of overpassing or surpassing humankind.